Hi, it's Ron. Today we're visiting the Cook Nature Preserve, where today we're responding to some reports of some odd sounds emanating from the area down near the river. So let's go check it out. As you may know, the Cook Nature Preserve is located on the wild and scenic Wekiva River, and it's not unusual to see all kinds of wildlife here, including bobcats, coyotes, and bears. Oh my! I'm told that the sounds in question have been coming from this area just before the river, which we're approaching now. So let's be very quiet and see if we hear anything.
What are you looking for?
Did you hear that?
What are you looking for?
Let's go in for a closer look.
What are you looking for? What are you looking for? What are you looking for?
Well, certainly nothing to worry about. Hope you visit us sometime soon.